Sitting out knowing, it was something you had done that had kept you out of the lineup.
It wasn't good. I was sitting there listening on the radio, and first game, it felt so weird not being there, and I felt bad, let my teammates down, but at the same time, I just told myself to bounce back and do good today and the rest of the season.
Talk about the hit, the bases loaded hit. What was the pitch?
Oh, it was a slider down, and I was kind of guessing if he threw a fastball right by me, first pitch. And I swung at it, and I was thinking he's going to come back with that off-speed pitch he was throwing earlier. And he threw it, and I just got up, hooked it down the line.
What's it like for you playing third base? You like that? How's that going for you?
Beginning of the year it was tough. I was uncomfortable, but I've taken a lot of balls there. Coaches have been doing a good job getting me reps there, and I actually feel 100% comfortable right now over there. So it feels good.
Bullpen, and now you're kind of seen as one of the go-to guys. What's that been like for you, starting out this season as one of the guys that he'll go to in the middle innings?
It's been a lot of fun. I'm expecting to get in a lot of innings this year, and hopefully, the more I get in, the better I'll get. And then, it just feels really good to be able to come in and play for these guys.
What's it like playing against like a Mercer or a Central Arkansas? I know people don't think a ton of them, but how they can jump up and bite you, how they come up there with nothing to lose. Is it tough to throw against these teams sometimes?
It's tough to throw against every team. Baseball is, a tough game because one day you can have a bad day, and the next day it could be a great day. But the team who comes out prepared to win and plays the best usually wins. So, you can't take any team lightly.
What do you guys think, Jake, just about playing in the stadium?
Oh, it's unbelievable. I absolutely love it. The look from, the road is just amazing. Yeah, it's great. And I'm expecting, a lot of fans to be here, and I can't wait to hear them.
Your outing today when you came in, I think they had 2 on and they were up 2 runs. We talk about the importance of that inning and just your outing in general.
Yeah, it's another inning. We go pitch by pitch. That's what our system is. And, I may have let it loose on one guy on accident, and it's a little slip. But, it's just another inning, and, I'm glad the hitters came back and really got to them.